Hey guys, hey, today on Bad Beast Barbecue, we're going to be taking a look at the Keter Utility Extra Large Prep Table, okay? I bought this off of Amazon to help me prep food up here on the deck when I'm using the Rectech or any other grill up here. So we'll take a look at what's in the box, we'll put it together, and I'll give you my opinion on it right after this.
He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
All right, guys. So, as you notice, I'm in different clothes today. I had to do the ending of this video the next day because I had some technical difficulties with my microphone yesterday and it didn't record. So, we're finishing up or redoing this portion of the video today. So, but as I showed you, we did a quick hyper time elapse version of putting together the utility table. Okay, one thing I do have to say about it, that the polypropylene construction and the way they have it molded made assembly really easy. A lot of the parts snapped in real well. It fit real good. Didn't have anything that was misaligned, at least in the one that I received. Okay, if I had to rate assembly of putting this together from 1 to 10, I'd probably rate it at about an 8.5. I couldn't give it a 9 or a 10 just because some of the screws and the bolts are in some really tight areas, and the Allen wrench that they give you, and if you have a hand screwdriver, it's very difficult to get your hands in those areas without scraping your knuckles or what have you to tighten up those certain areas. I would suggest using a cordless screwdriver, or even having one of those Allen wrench screwdrivers to fasten the bolts to the nuts that came with it, and to fasten down the screws. So like I mentioned before, I bought this to cook out here when I'm out here making videos, or when I'm just out here cooking. We're always bringing out some type of picnic table to prep food on. This is going to be ideal for not having to have to do this. Okay, the measurements of this cart here is 52 inches by 20 inches by 35 inches roughly. The storage capacity down here is pretty large. It says 54 gallons worth. Now, I'm not pouring no water down here, but 54 gallons worth of storage, 24 gallons of storage of open storage. So total of 78 gallons of storage, however you want to measure that, okay? It has a resin polypropylene construction, and it's molded in the like wood, okay? It's supposed to be weather resistant, and the top is a stainless steel 201 grade top, easy for cleaning. Okay, it also comes with like a spice rack. It has a paper towel rack. It has the bar on the other end to be able to move it around with the two wheels, and it has some hooks to hang your utensils on. Okay, so it will hold up to 110 pounds of weight. So this is going to be good when we put some of our smaller grills up here, such as the small Kenyan electric grill that we have, or we bought an Ironworks cast iron grill that we're going to be testing out in the next week or so. So look out for videos for that. Okay. We got lucky. I bought this for like $268 on Amazon. The price now is like $315, and then of course they got other combination sets that you can get with this, and it comes in 2 different colors, I believe. So as far as durability go, I won't know until I've had it for a while. With the polypropylene construction and the stainless steel, it should do well in the wintertime here in Illinois. I did buy the $32 cover for this to just give it some added protection when it's not in use, and keep the wasp and bees from trying to make nests and that sort of thing. So I'm looking forward to having this up here and to trying this out. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have one of these, hey, let me know what you think and how it turned out. Okay, but that's all we have for today. Okay, if you got any questions, hey, hit me up in the comments block. And if you're not a subscriber, hey, consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, it'll definitely help us out. So, hey, that's all we have. So like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.